Here's how we made $1,350 today day trading. So come pre-market, you can see we went up and swept London highs right here. So after we swept London highs, price dropped down, and then it swept London lows. So after it took two draws on liquidity, I didn't know what price wanted to do, so I was just playing out, and see what price wanted to give me. So boom, if we hop on a 15-minute, we can see this big 15-minute imbalance right here. And I was like, okay, that's my next draw on liquidity where I want price to go. So I was looking for a trade to this imbalance. So we can see price, boom, swept liquidity on the lower time frame. So this all this low resistance liquidity, boom, and then it gave me an inverse fair value gap right here at this candle. So once it gave me that, I entered and I just targeted to inside this fair value gap, inside this imbalance. Put my stop down here, and then we just had the 1.25 or so ward, and price ended up just going up to I take profit, and we ended up catching a dub. I'm glad I was patient and steady looking at the markets because this was a clean trade. And all this noise and all this bad price action, it was a couple candles that gave me a good setup to where I wanted price to go. So that's why it's important just to look at all the time frames, to look at all the draws on liquidity, because if we were just targeting lows and highs, we wouldn't have got anything. We wouldn't have got none for real. So I'm glad I looked at a higher time frame and just checked out every draw on liquidity.